Hey guys, JP here with Rock Krawler. Just wanted to give a huge shout out to Max Straps. I've been using their straps and all their securing mechanisms for over a decade now. The quality of their fabrics, their stitching, and everything they put together is top notch. Their ratchet mechanisms can't be beat in this industry. Prior to using Max Straps, I used whatever I would find at a truck stop or whatever, Tractor Supply. I would go through more ratchets and straps from being frayed or broken or ratchets that break. Since switching over to Max Straps, I've had nothing but success. I mean, we count on our race vehicles for securing tires, stowing our spare parts and tool bags. He's got all kinds of unique solutions for strapping your vehicle down, towing, tow straps, you name it, they have it. The next best thing to gravity to hold things down is Max tie downs. Be sure to check them out.